Want to create an account in Squad Busters but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some easy steps on how to create an account in Squad Busters. So without any further ado, let's get started. When you open the game for the first time after you have installed, you will be first guided to this screen. You'll have to enter your age by sliding the button like this. Then tap on OK button. Click on Accept All button. Then you will have to play one match where you will be given instructions on how to play the game. After you complete the match, you will have to enter your nickname. Now click on the OK button. Again, you have to play 2 matches. I'm fast forwarding this section of the gameplay. After the gameplay is completed, you can explore your account. And that's how you can create an account in Squad Busters. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.